Have you ever wondered how wild animals manage to survive in the harsh realities of nature? Yes, the natural world is a fascinating place, teeming with mysteries and marvels that never cease to amaze us. And one of these marvels that piques our curiosity is the survival skills of wild animals. Imagine you are a creature in the wilderness. Every day you face challenges, finding food, staying safe from predators, braving the elements. It's not just about survival. It's about thriving in an environment that's continually changing. This is where survival skills come into play. These skills, honed over generations, are crucial for every animal in the wild. They are the difference between life and death, between success and failure. From the stealthy camouflage of a leopard to the lightning-fast speed of a cheetah, from the brute strength of a rhino to the social structure of a meerkat colony, survival skills are incredibly varied and ingenious. In this video, we will explore some amazing survival skills of various wild animals. One of the most common survival skills we see in nature is the art of camouflage. Camouflage, in its most basic sense, is the ability to blend into one's surroundings. It's an ingenious strategy, a form of visual deception that many animals use to avoid becoming a meal for a predator. By mimicking the colors, patterns, and even textures of their environment, these animals can effectively disappear, tricking the eye of potential threats. Take, for instance, the chameleon. These small lizards are famous for their color-changing abilities. Contrary to popular belief, they don't change color to match their surroundings, but rather, they do so to regulate their temperature, communicate, and express their emotions. However, their vibrant hues can sometimes act as a form of camouflage, helping them blend into the bright flowers and leaves of their habitat. But you know what they say, the best camouflage is to look like something you're not. And that's precisely the strategy of the stick insect. This creature is a master of mimicry, looking so much like a twig that predators often overlook them entirely. They even sway back and forth to mimic the movement of branches in the wind. Talk about commitment to the act. Camouflage isn't just about blending into the background, though. Some animals use it to hide in plain sight. For instance, the African leopard uses its rosette-patterned coat not just to blend into the dappled light of the savanna, but also to break up its outline and mask its true shape. This way, they can sneak up on their prey undetected. Camouflage, then, is more than just a hide-and-seek game. It's a complex, multifaceted survival strategy that involves a deep understanding of one's environment and predators. It's a dynamic interplay of color, pattern, shape, and behavior, all working together to ensure survival. Camouflage, an ingenious way of blending in, is a life-saving strategy for many animals. It's a testament to nature's creativity and the relentless will of life to persist against the odds. When camouflage isn't an option, speed can be a lifesaver. In the vast plains and dense forests of South Africa, speed often becomes the defining factor between life and death. It's a thrilling spectacle of high stakes, where the swift live to see another day, and the slow may not. The cheetah, the world's fastest land animal, is a prime example of how speed can be a crucial survival tool. These sleek and powerful creatures can reach top speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. This incredible velocity allows them to chase down and capture prey that other predators simply can't keep up with. Swift, agile, and blessed with keen eyesight, cheetahs are the embodiment of speed and precision. But the power of speed isn't just about the hunt. It's equally important for those on the other side of the food chain. Consider the gazelle, for instance. While not as fast as the cheetah, gazelles are renowned for their remarkable agility and endurance. They can sustain high speeds for prolonged periods, often outlasting their pursuers. Their zigzag running pattern, coupled with their speed, makes it difficult for predators to catch them. In the world of birds, the peregrine falcon reigns supreme. Renowned as the fastest bird in the world, it can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour during its hunting stoop. This high-speed dive allows them to snatch prey straight out of the sky, a testament to the power of speed. In the ocean, the sailfish, with its slender body and crescent-shaped tail, can swim at speeds up to 68 miles per hour, making it the fastest swimmer in the sea. With such speed, it can easily outmaneuver its prey, giving it an edge in the deep blue sea. From the land to the sky and the sea, speed is a phenomenal asset. It's a fascinating survival strategy, a combination of raw power, precision, and endurance. It's a race for survival, where every second counts. Speed, an incredible asset, is the key to survival for many species. Strength and unique defense mechanisms often play a crucial role in survival. In the wilds of South Africa, animals have developed quite a few fascinating ways to protect themselves from predators. Let's dive into this world of strength and defense, where survival is the name of the game. Picture the grandeur of an African elephant, the largest land animal on Earth. Its immense size and strength alone are enough to deter most predators. But it's not just size that matters. The elephant's long tusks, which are essentially elongated incisors, serve as formidable weapons against any threat that dares to challenge them. Now, imagine the sharp contrast of the tiny porcupine. It may lack the size and muscular strength of the elephant, but it is certainly not defenseless. When threatened, the porcupine raises its quills, creating a spiky shield that predators would think twice about messing with. Each quill, essentially a modified hair, is covered in tiny barbs, making it a painful deterrent for any would-be attacker. Then, there's the skunk, an animal that uses a completely different strategy. Rather than relying on physical strength or sharp quills, the skunk employs a chemical weapon. It can spray an incredibly foul-smelling liquid from special glands near its tail. This odor is so strong and unpleasant that predators often retreat, allowing the skunk to escape unharmed. But it's not just about offense. Take the hard shell of the tortoise, for instance. This sturdy, dome-shaped armor protects the vulnerable body parts of the tortoise from the jaws and claws of predators. When danger approaches, the tortoise simply withdraws its head, legs, and tail into its shell, presenting a hard, unappetizing exterior to the outside world. These are just a few examples of the myriad ways animals use strength and special defense mechanisms to survive in the wild. Each animal has evolved over the course of millions of years, perfecting their own unique strategies to ensure their survival. Through strength and unique defense strategies, animals can turn the tide against potential threats. Intelligence, often overlooked, plays a significant role in the survival of many species. It's not just about the strongest or the fastest, but often the cleverest who thrive in the wild. Take the example of dolphins. These aquatic animals are known for their high intelligence. They have shown the ability to recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a rare trait in the animal kingdom. But how does being smart help a dolphin survive? Well, dolphins use their intelligence in a variety of ways, from complex hunting strategies to intricate social interactions. For instance, dolphins have been observed using tools, like sponges, to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor. This not only helps them avoid injury, but also allows them to access food sources that other marine animals can't reach. Dolphins also use cooperative hunting techniques, herding fish into tight balls to make for an easy meal. This requires coordination, communication, and the ability to anticipate the actions of their fellow dolphins. On the flip side, we have crows, who might not be as physically imposing as a lion or as fast as a cheetah, but they more than make up for it with their wits. Crows are problem solvers. They can use tools, recognize human faces, and even remember specific events. When it comes to finding food, crows are innovative. They've been known to drop hard-shelled nuts onto busy roads for cars to crack open, then smartly wait for a safe time to retrieve their meal. Moreover, intelligence helps animals avoid danger. Many intelligent animals, like the African elephant, have shown the ability to learn from their experiences and avoid threats in the future. An elephant might remember a location where it encountered a predator, sharing this information with the rest of the herd to ensure their collective safety. In conclusion, intelligence in animals is not just about solving puzzles or performing tricks. It's about survival. It's about finding new ways to find food or avoid danger, and it's about using social structures to protect and benefit the group. In the wild, intelligence can be just as important as physical strength or speed. For some animals, there's safety in numbers. Indeed, the wild is not a place for the faint-hearted. It's a world where survival is the name of the game, and teamwork often plays a crucial role. Many animals have evolved to become social creatures, forming intricate groups or packs to navigate the challenges of their environment. Take wolves, for instance. These majestic creatures are renowned for their pack mentality. Living and hunting in groups, each wolf has a specific role to play. From the alpha, who leads the pack, to the hunters who work together to bring down their prey, their collaborative efforts ensure their survival in the harsh wilderness. But it's not just about the hunt. Wolves also rely on their pack for raising their young. Pups are cared for not just by their parents, but by the whole pack, teaching them vital skills and protecting them from predators. On a slightly larger scale, let's consider elephants. These gentle giants are a perfect example of social animals. Elephant herds led by a matriarch are composed mostly of females and young elephants. They work together to protect the young and the weak, showing a level of empathy and care that is truly remarkable. Their teamwork extends to their feeding habits as well. Elephants often feed together, using their combined strength to knock down trees or unearth roots, providing food for the entire herd. In both these examples, we see how being part of a group can provide a level of security and efficiency that would be hard to achieve alone. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and unity, a lesson that resonates far beyond the animal kingdom. So, whether it's a pack of wolves bringing down a large elk or a herd of elephants protecting their young, these animals show us that in the face of adversity, unity is strength. In the wild, teamwork can make the dream work. Adaptation to the environment is another key to survival. The animal kingdom is a testament to this, brimming with examples of species that have evolved over generations to thrive in their unique surroundings. Take the polar bear, for instance. In the harsh, icy wilderness of the Arctic, these magnificent creatures have developed a number of adaptations that make survival possible. Their white fur, more than just a fashion statement, serves as the perfect camouflage against the snow. Underneath that snowy coat, a layer of blubber up to 4 inches thick provides insulation against the freezing temperatures. Even their paws have evolved, large and furry, helping them to distribute weight on thin ice and grip slippery surfaces. Now let's trade the frosty Arctic for the sweltering desert. Here, the camel reigns supreme. These resilient animals have developed a number of ways to endure the desert's extreme conditions. Their humps, contrary to popular belief, store fat and not water. This fat serves as a source of energy when food is scarce. Their long legs keep their bodies away from the hot sand, and their specially adapted nostrils can close to keep out blowing sand. They can also withstand a body temperature range that would be lethal to most other animals. From the depths of the ocean to the highest peaks, animals have evolved to survive and thrive, each in their own unique ways. Whether it's the thick fur of the musk ox that enables it to survive in the Arctic tundra, or the kangaroo rat in North America's deserts, which can survive its entire life without drinking a drop of water, adaptations are fascinating demonstrations of nature's ingenuity. These examples are but a small snippet of the remarkable ways animals have adapted to their environments. They remind us that life, in all its diverse forms, is not just about surviving, but about thriving where you are. Adapting to their environment, animals prove that home is truly where you adapt to. In the wild, survival is the ultimate game and animals are the players. This notion has guided our exploration of the fascinating survival skills of South Africa's wild animals. We've delved into the art of camouflage, a strategy employed by creatures great and small. This ingenious adaptation allows animals to blend into their surroundings, becoming virtually invisible to predators and prey alike. It's a testament to nature's creativity and the relentless drive for survival. Then, there's the power of speed. From the swift cheetah to the nimble springbok, South Africa's animals demonstrate that sometimes survival is a simple matter of outpacing danger. Speed, in many cases, is the difference between life and death in the wild. We've also explored the significance of strength and defense mechanisms. From the formidable horns of the African buffalo to the venomous stinger of the scorpion, these physical attributes are essential tools for survival, used in both offense and defense. And who could forget the role of intelligence in survival? Animals like elephants and baboons demonstrate complex problem-solving skills, showing us that brains, not just brawn, play a pivotal role in the survival game. Let's not overlook the power of social animals and teamwork. Meerkats, African wild dogs, and other species showcase the strength that comes from cooperation and community. In the wild, there's strength in numbers. Finally, we've seen how animals adapt to their environments, whether it's the ostrich surviving in the arid plains or the penguin braving the harsh coastal climates. Each animal has evolved to thrive in their unique habitat, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of life. Understanding these survival skills not only fascinates us, but also reminds us of the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. So, as we close this journey of discovery, let's carry with us a sense of awe and respect for these incredible creatures and the survival skills they've honed over millennia. Because in the end, we're all players in the grand game of survival.